Offset Offset is a very powerful formula in our Excel formula series. Just like match, index, it is very useful sometimes. It works as index. Suppose we have row number 15 and column number 5. We want to show here the value DPL. Offset formula takes argument first reference. Just unlike index formula which takes a whole range, it takes only a starting point which is called reference. Then one more thing, while talking about rows and columns, offset starts its indexing with 0. So the first one will be 0 row and 0 column. When we move down to here, it will count as 1 row 0 column. When we move to here, it will count 1 row 1 column. So we have taken 15th row and 5th column. So while we have taken reference of A1, so we have to take that the index should be starting from 0. So in counting we are saying that we want column 5, means from that reference the counting start with 0, 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. We say it 5 but offset says 4, so I am taking that one also and minus 1. In our row I also use that minus 1 because it's starting from 0. Now let's see the result. On 15th row and 5th column, while doing one more addition to its other features, we select reference, column number 15 minus 1 and row number 15 minus 1 and column number 5 minus 1, and we have here height and width. We take as 3 height and 2 width. So what is that? Let's see. If I enter it, it will show me an error. But when I add in some formula, I keep this offset formula in some formula, it will show me the total, which will be equal to, I have chosen 3 height and 2 width. So it means that from here, from 15th row and 5th column, 1, 2, 3, the 3 rows will be its height and 2, 1, 2, 2 will be its width. So in that box you can see in some same result as displayed here. So we can also use in our chart, for dynamic charts we use offset function. And how we will use it, let's see. Suppose we in developer column In developer tab, I have taken some controls like a combo box. I go right click to it, format control, then in input range I select a sort of value. Then see what happened when I click it. The whole range is now put in a combo box, but it is no use of us without getting output of it. So we again right click to format control and cell link. We set this one as cell link and press OK. Now what it shows, when I select a different value, it will show me the row number. Suppose I check 110, then it must be placed in the 10th row. I have selected the data like this, so in index position of 10 the value will be this. So now let's build up with the chart. For using chart, I need to place that through offset formula. I'll take this because my range is selected from A2, so I need not to put minus here. I will rows from this link goes to 5 column ahead, which will be 4, because we do here 5 minus 1. So I suppose I am here. Now I need the total of 2. I need these two values, so I will get them height 1 and width of 2. But it is still not in use. I just copy the formula and go to the formula bar, define name, and here I fix a name for that. I set as DAT and I put here this formula. But before saving this, I just freeze that. Press OK. Now I insert a blank chart. And now I right click that, select data, add series name as sales or whatever you like. Now give it that DAT here. It's not running because we have not given him the sheet number. It is 35 sign of exclamation, then OK. OK. Now you see this range is selected from which the value is connected through this. When I change that, it will change its range. This is called dynamic formula. So offset has a very major role in automation. So keep practicing.